PPT AI is the new kid on the block, and it's been making waves in the AI software world. But is it really as game-changing as people say? In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new tool. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal some insider insights on how to make the most of it, and if you're curious, there's a free trial link below to get started yourself. Let's dive right into what you can expect from PPT AI and why it's creating such a buzz. First off, PPT AI offers an incredibly efficient way to streamline your presentation process. Whether you're in marketing, business development, or any field that requires compelling professional presentations, this software lets you create PPTs with just a few clicks using AI-driven templates that are surprisingly customizable. It takes the frustration out of the design and structure, giving you more time to focus on the content that truly matters. The second big feature, the AI-powered content suggestions. PPT AI analyzes the text you input and provides contextually relevant content, so you're not just putting random slides together. It assists with generating concise bullet points, proper wording, and effective communication. This can drastically reduce the time you spend trying to figure out how to present your ideas. The software's ability to handle content generation based on your brief is impressive. Another standout feature is the real-time collaboration capability. If you're working with a team, PPT AI allows multiple users to edit and contribute to a presentation in real time. Whether you're drafting a proposal or creating a pitch for a client, the ability to collaborate seamlessly across locations is a game changer. It also saves a lot of the back and forth confusion that can happen with traditional presentation tools. The fourth crucial thing to know is how well it integrates with other software. You can easily export presentations to PowerPoint, Google Slides, or even PDF with one click. This makes it easy to switch between platforms or adjust your presentation based on the client's preferences. But it's not just about exporting. It can also pull data directly from spreadsheets, making it perfect for creating data-driven presentations without having to manually update slide after slide. Now, if you're into design, you'll love PPT AI's variety of design options. It has AI-driven design capabilities that automatically adjust the aesthetic to match your content. Whether you're looking for something minimalistic or highly professional, the software has a range of themes and layout suggestions. You don't need to be a design expert to create visually appealing slides. This is perfect for people who need high-quality presentations but don't have the time or resources to spend hours designing each slide. One thing that sets PPT AI apart is its AI-powered analytics. It tracks how your audience interacts with your presentations, giving you insights into which slides keep them engaged and which parts need improvement. This feedback loop allows you to improve your future presentations based on actual data, something that other tools typically don't offer. Finally, the user interface is incredibly intuitive. If you've ever struggled with other presentation tools, you'll appreciate how easy it is to get started with PPT AI. The learning curve is minimal, and it's designed to get you up and running fast, without feeling overwhelmed by complicated menus or settings. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Now, let me quickly remind you that you can try PPT AI completely for free through the first link in the description below. If you're serious about improving your presentations and making your workflow more efficient, I highly recommend giving it a shot. And before you go, I've also linked some of my recommended AI tools in the description after having tried thousands of them. These are the best of the best and can help you in areas like digital marketing, automation, and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the free trials. Take your presentations to the next level with PPT AI.